Writing a business strategy for a new business can be a daunting task, but it is an essential step in ensuring the success of your venture. A business strategy outlines your goals and objectives, as well as the actions you will take to achieve them. It serves as a blueprint for your business, guiding decision-making and directing the allocation of resources. To begin, it is important to have a clear understanding of your business and its place in the market. This means conducting market research to identify your target audience, your competitors, and potential customers. This research will provide valuable insights that can help you develop a unique value proposition, or the unique benefit that your business offers to customers. Once you have a clear understanding of your business and its place in the market, you can start developing your business strategy. Set clear and specific goals and objectives. Identify what you want your business to achieve and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to guide your actions. Identify your target audience. Who are your potential customers and what do they need or want? Use your market research to develop a deep understanding of your target audience and their needs, and tailor your business strategy to meet those needs. Develop a unique value proposition. What makes your business different from your competitors? How will you provide value to your customers that they cannot find elsewhere? Develop a clear and compelling value proposition that sets your business apart from the competition. Create a marketing plan. How will you reach your target audience and promote your business? Develop a comprehensive marketing plan that includes tactics such as advertising, social media, public relations, and content marketing. Identify your key resources and capabilities. What resources and skills do you have at your disposal, and how will you use them to achieve your goals? Identify your key resources and capabilities and develop a plan to use them effectively. Develop a financial plan. How will you fund your business, and how will you manage your finances to ensure long-term viability? Develop a financial plan that includes a budget, cash flow projections, and a plan for generating revenue. Create a plan for measuring and monitoring progress. How will you track your progress and ensure that you are on track to achieve your goals? Develop a plan for regularly measuring and monitoring your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. By following these steps and regularly reviewing and updating your business strategy, you can set your business up for success. A well-developed business strategy can help you make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and achieve your goals.